Hi everyone, my name is Relita Reselia and my student ID 240181188. I'm from the English Education Study Program. This is my final project basic reading assessment from Miss Hermi Zaswita, SPD MPD. Here, I will explain the results of my journal analysis. So, let's discuss it. And this is the results of my journal article analysis entitled Online English Teaching by Using Google Classroom and its challenge during COVID-19 pandemic at Senior High School 1 Gedek Mojokerto. And the first abstract paragraph, the context clues is carry out, the synonym is improvement, conduct, and the challenge, the synonym is difficulties and obstacles. And the word path is challenge plus s is suffix, and teach plus ing is suffix. And the sentence is this research used a qualitative approach. Key idea, the subject is this research and the verb is used. And this is all abstract paragraph. And then main idea is the research I made to explore online English teaching and learning. The topic is online English teaching and learning during the COVID-19 pandemic, and the supporting details is sentence 2 to sentence 7, and the transitions is the results how that and after finding the result. And the reference word is this research refers to the study conducted and it refers to the research findings. And the next introduction paragraph 1, the context clues is interlight, the synonym for apple and socket include alarm and standard, and the word path is recover. Re plus cover is prefix, and the sentence is Joko Widodo as the President of Indonesia indicated that 2 Indonesian people had infected SARS. The key idea, the subject is Joko Widodo and the verb is indicated, and this is all introduction paragraph 1. And the main idea is in the early year of 2020, the new kind of virus appeared and shocked everyone worldwide. And the topic is COVID-19 pandemic, and the supporting details is sentence 2 to sentence 6, and the transition is by the 13 years of my 2020 introduced update case tactics, and this coronavirus transitions to the broader impact, and the reference word is the virus refers to COVID-19 and the coronavirus, and this coronavirus refers to SARS-CoV-2. And the other refers to patients still receiving treatment. And the next introduction paragraph 2, the context clues is the synonym is teaching activities related to additional process, and the word parts is interactive, interroad, road, and if suffix, and telecommunications, teleflexix, communic road, and Asian suffix. And the sentence is teaching activities is one of many aspects of education that has been impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic. And the key idea, the subject is teaching activities and the verb is has been impacted. And this is all introduction paragraph 2. And the next main idea, the main idea is teaching activities are one of many aspects of education affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. The topic is online learning during the COVID-19 pandemic, and the supporting details is sentence 2 to sentence 6, and the transition is furthermore, however, and also. The reference word is it refers to teaching during the pandemic, and this type of learning refers to online learning. And introduction paragraph 3, the concept clause is the synonym is hardness scale relates to most difficult scale, and the word path is component root plus n suffix, and interaction prefix inter and aux root plus im suffix. And the sentence is writing learning in senior high school aims to properly use word, vocabulary, grammar, spelling, and punctuations. The key idea: the subject is writing learning, and the verb is aims. And this is all introduction paragraph 3. And the next, the main idea is writing learning in senior high school aims to properly use words, vocabulary, grammar, spelling, and punctuation. The topic is writing skills in senior high school, and the supporting details is the sentence 2 to sentence 5, and the transition is in the 11th grade. And last, the reference word is it refers to writing analytical appreciation text, and this type of learning refers to online learning methods. And the next is introduction paragraph 4, the concept clause. The synonym is work from home relates to remote work, and the word parts, curriculum, curricular in root and in suffix, and platform, plat in root and form in suffix. The sentence is the school carried out online teaching and learning from the 24 years of March 2020 till now. The key idea: the subject is the school and the verb is carried out. And this is all introduction paragraph 4. And the main idea is the school carried out online teaching and learning from the 24 years of March 2020 till now. And the topic is online teaching and learning at Senior High School 1 Gedek, Mojokerto. And the supporting details is sentence 2 to sentence 4, and transition is such as, and the reference word is the school and day. And the next is introduction paragraph 5, and the context clause is the synonym is teacher teach from home relates to remote teaching, and the word parts researchers research and is root, curiosity is career root, and et is suffix. And the sentence is the researchers was in a very big curiosity to research the title online English teaching by using Google Classroom. And the key idea: the subject is the researcher and the verb is was. And this is all introduction paragraph 5. And the next, the main idea: the researchers developed curiosity to research the challenges of online English teaching using Google Classroom during the COVID-19 pandemic. And the topic is online English teaching challenge at SMA N1 Gedek Mojokerto. And the supporting details is sentence 1 to sentence 2. And the transition is thereover, and the reference word in the sentence refers to the researcher's curiosity. And the next is method paragraph 1. The context clause is the synonym observe learning activities relates to many teaching activities, and the word parts is implementation, implement root, and action the suffix, and observation is observe root plus action is suffix. And the sentence is the implementation of the Google Classroom learning material from the analytical acquisition text material was carried out for 3 meetings, and the key idea, the subject is the information and the verb is was carried out. And this is all paragraph method paragraph 1. And the main idea is the implementation of Google Classroom for analytical acquisition text material was conducted in 3 sessions during the pandemic, and the topic is Google Classroom implementation for analytical acquisition text, and the supporting details is sentence 2 to sentence 4, and the transition is from the results, and reference word is it. In the sentence refers to implementation of Google Classroom learning. Okay, that's the results of my analysis. Sorry, I can only explain at the beginning of the paragraph. I can explain until the end of the paragraph because of the time constraints. Thank you for watching and see you.